Let's talk about Charlieplexing, proposed in 1995 by Charlie Allen. It's a way to control multiple LEDs with just a few I/O pins on your processor. Now you can control n times n to the minus 1 LEDs with n number of I/O pins. If you have 3 I/O pins available, now 3 times 3 minus 1 is 6 LEDs. If you had 4 I/O pins available, 4 times 4 minus 1, that's 3. That would be 12 LEDs you could control with 4 I/O pins. Now the reason we can do that, these pins can be in a tri-state. They can either be high, in my case would be 5 volts, or low, which would be negative or ground, or floating, which would be your input mode, which would be just a real high input impedance. It's like an open. Now, I've got a little board here set up. I'm going to use a Arduino Nano, and there's a library that can run these, makes it very simple. But I just want to test my control table here to see if I actually have these pins wired up correctly. This is P2, P1, and P0, and it shows you here if this is low, P1 is low, and P0 is high, the first LED should light up. So I have negative here, and this is my positive 5 volts. If I take positive this side, my next LED should light up. And then for 3, we have low and high on the outside here. And then we have high and low. And then low and high. And high and low. So that's working out fine. Now, in the program, if you switch these things on and off, 50, 60 cycles, your persistence of vision will think that they're on all the time. So you can have them stay on and run up and down. So I'm going to use it for a little level control, but it should work out fine. That's Charlieplexing. Thank you.